Today, let's be inspired by one easy riff and then grow an improvisation from these 5 simple notes. If you've never played before, then we are going to start truly easy. So come and play an easy riff with me. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of piano here every Thursday. If you enjoy today's content, then a thumbs up is the best compliment that you can give. So we're going to start with 3 really easy versions and then step it up maybe onto 3 harder ones and maybe an extra bonus in there as well. So we'll have 6 or 7 options. So let's start with the 3 easy first of all. This is the first one. We've just got 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait. So D, B, C sharp, B, back to the D in the right hand. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait. Step it down and we're going to do the same notes in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and wait. There we could go down if we wanted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and add a little 6 if we want to as well. Now let's add thirds above that. So we've got D and F sharp in the right hand with our bottom note on the B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and wait. So D and F sharp to the C sharp and the E. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and wait. Step it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we could step right down to that A sharp, C sharp there. That sounds really pretty. Let's go again. Step down. One step harder again onto our next easy version. Let's go down to a B here and let's now go back to just the right hand doing the first 5 notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the wait. Adding the B down the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the wait, we can add a little pulse there if we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and extra 1. Down again. Extra G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all again. Now, before we jump into our 3 harder versions, let's just talk quickly about technique. It's easy on the piano to kind of think that the fingers have to do all the work, or sometimes people are playing with kind of their whole arm rather than their fingers also standing up and doing their own little job. But as well as our fingers doing our work, we also need to make sure that we have kind of bendy wrists as well. Lately I've been talking with students about how our bendy wrists are a bit like our bendy knees on the trampoline. We have to keep them bending as well. So this little pattern is perfect to have a go at that bendy wrists and nice and free hands, where our hands are falling and each finger is still doing its job, but each hand is also falling with our arm weight there as well on the piano to get that beautiful sound coming back out. All again. Falling with each one. And again, down. So sort of little bounces and little falls. And fall down. So make sure your wrist is coming down to the key bed. Okay, on to our 3 harder options now. Let's now grow this bass pattern while our right hand continues the 5 notes. Let's add our bass hand to go B to the C sharp to the D. So it's kind of mirroring what we're doing here together. So it's not too hard. Let's have a go. Again, so B, C sharps, Ds. Could add that extra bass note if you want. Let's go one step harder now onto our number 5. We'll make this 5A because there's an extra little twist that I want to put onto this one. So we have our B bass note. And in this right hand, let's do B octaves to the F sharp there. So it's just a little rocking there in the wrist. So B, B, F sharp, B, B. So B, B, F sharp, B. And this left hand is going to step up to the D there from that C sharp. Here we go. Together, together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end together with the B and the D. Let's do it again. 1, 2, together, together, and stop there. Step down your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again to the G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly the same in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then just add an extra little twist onto that one. Let's keep that right hand pattern going of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those extra ones there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just wobbling back and forwards for those extra up to number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And for our last beautiful little improvisation, see if you can make up some of your own patterns stemming from this original idea. See what you can work out as well and let me know in the comments. But let's now go one step harder. We'll bring our left hand back up to this B here. And let's bring it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll outline this little left hand pattern here. So B, F sharp to the D to give that harmony there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A bass, same notes in that left hand. So A, F sharp over to the D. Let's do it again. Float over, and you can see my hands just lifting and doing little bounces off those notes to keep nice and free there. Now to the G in the left hand. Again, G. Now let's go to the F sharp. And then we might go to the C sharp here, just to shift the harmonies there to the C sharp, and we'll step from these Bs into this A sharp octaves. So let's do that again, slow motion with our F sharp to the C sharp, and just 2 lots of A sharp octaves. Let's go through the whole pattern now to play through that last 6th variation. Here we go. Very softly in the right hand. All again. Let's put it all together into a run now, playing those 6 different variations that we can play from our very first 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be so fun to grow a whole bunch of ideas from one little motif there that's so easy. So let me know what step you can manage with your own playing. It's always great to hear what you guys are up to and what level you're working at in your playing. So let's have a play through now. Well, have an experiment with creating your own ideas from that little motive today. And if you'd like some more ideas to do some further improvisation, then check out these videos here as well. Happy music making. Ta-da.